The access paths and public routes within this German mall required especially flexible height access. The decision to use a standard LEO work platform was the first step in the inception and planning of height access within the mall. This machine is especially suited for operation in tight spots and great heights. The LEO23GT shines particularly in seemingly inaccessible locations due to its articulated telescopic construction. In order to provide unlimited access to all areas, the specific interior design conditions were considered already during the inception and planning phase. A scissor lift was the solution, which allows the quick and hassle-free movement of the machine from the ground floor to the basement shopping level. The compact transport dimensions and the low empty weight of the LEO23GT made this simple and economic solution possible. The scissor lift construction blends almost invisibly into the floor surface and doesn't obstruct the walkways in the slightest.